For the past couple of years, one of the toughest animals to find on Wild Horse Island are the horses.
And they can be very secretive. You've got to know the island and have seen them on a year-round basis to know where they're at.
But now park managers have a way to increase their visibility. Wild Horse Island State Park is known for a lot of things, but its namesake is what sets it apart from other state parks.
It's really popular with visitors who come out. And one of the first questions they ask is, where are the horses?
It's been almost 20 years since a group of wild horses were set free on the island. But with only one remaining from that group, the chances of seeing a horse is rare.
This one was, could go anytime. And so we decided we'd try to get some others out there.
Managers were able to get 4 wild horses that were descendants from Montana's Pryor Mountains donated to the state. But when the time finally came to release these mares, they weren't quite ready to become the icons of the island. With a little coaxing and prodding, the new residents finally stepped out to be viewed. And as they begin to explore their new home, they will give visitors a few more chances to see horses on Wild Horse Island.
At least then, well, those aren't domesticated horses, those are really wild horses. And there's that mystique about the whole concept of wild, and I think it adds to the character of the island and the park.
Winston Greeley, out among Montana's fish, wildlife, and parks.